Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix avatar problem on Snapchat. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to change something in your avatar, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Snapchat in your profile on the top left. As you can see, I have an avatar, click on it and you can change the background or its pose, change clothes and so on. If you do not have such function, then go to settings, click on the icon on the top right and scroll down, select Bitmoji. As you can see here, you can change your outfit, edit the Bitmoji and select a selfie. You can also completely delete your avatar and create it again. That's how easy it is. I also advise you to go to the App Store or Google Play and find Snapchat. Here you need to check if there are new updates, and if you have an update button, then do it. Maybe the developers have already solved your problem. As you can see, Snapchat often has problems and new updates are coming out to fix them. You may not have this feature or are having problems due to an older version, so check it out. Also try deleting Snapchat and reinstalling it. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.